in the past few days we've been talking about these 100 questions list, and today we are making video about why we are actually doing it. And this is Andrea. He's the guy doing the videos for us. It's really good. And so why are we making this list of 100 questions?
That's me?
No.
So the point here, I think, is that we cannot make like 100 videos, at least not in a reasonable time, to explain all the ins and outs about these houses. So we thought, why don't we make something more compact and immediate to use for the viewers?
Yeah, and building your own home, it's kind of a long and slippery road, and with these questions we want to give you a few grip points on this road, and we can't provide all the answers to these questions, although we provide some in our video series. But really conditions are different in different countries, and one answer may not suit all.
And we are making this Facebook group also.
Yes.
So what we plan to do, like when people have got the list of questions, they bought the list of questions, they become actually AVRAME customers. So
yeah,
we'll make a group, a closed group, especially for those people, and we'll start to talk about the answers to the questions in the group, right?
Yeah. Facebook, this is the blue thing in the computer, right?
Yes, it's the blue thing that you get all the notifications.
The little red ones.
Yeah.
I like these. We've had questions that why it comes as a paid product, and well, for two reasons. First, yes, we do need money to make more videos, and second is we believe that if you actually pay for something, you will use it more likely. People tend to get free stuff and then just collect it, put it aside. But if you actually paid for it, you're more serious about it. Look at how serious I am all the time. It's not.
Oh, I'm very serious. Look how much money we have in equipment here.
Yeah.
We are making videos. It works. As we promised, this list is already available for pre-sale, and the list is almost ready actually. I think in the space of 1 week we'll be able to publish it. The list will be released on Sunday the 20th of January 2019, of course. Up to that time you can pre-buy the list for $30. After that the price will be $97. So after the 20th of January it will go up to $97, right?
We are currently polishing it, and we plan to add some features to this list, so it's not just a list, but we will add some priorities to each questions, because some questions, well, it really doesn't hurt you if you skip them, and some questions are really important. If you forget to find answers for them,
you'll have trouble, or you will lose money, most likely. And the other thing is that it's just not a list of questions, but for each question we explain why you should ask the question. What is the point asking this question? So this time, instead of asking you to say yes in the comments below the video, we ask you to go to 100keyquestions.com/avrame and just pre-buy the list of questions.
Good list.
It's a good list.
Yeah. He said it.
No, you need it.
Yeah.
Okay, ciao.